Hello guys, welcome. Jamie here from JAYP Cars, and today it's just a quick information video about the Audi. But I thought, seeing as I'm up here, I might as well show you this as well. Hello guys, how you doing? Jamie here from JAYP Cars, and today I just want to show you my latest purchase, which was from AliExpress. They cost me 35 quid, took a couple of weeks to arrive, but they've just arrived. I've just fitted them, and here they are. The Honeycomb fog light surrounds, which I think look brilliant, and they really do match in with the main grille that I fitted back along. I decided to buy these because the car needed a little bit of TLC due to the fact that it decided to break down when I bought the Mercedes. Literally the same day I bought the Mercedes, it broke down. So I thought that it obviously wasn't very happy with me and that I needed to treat it a bit. So I did that. Any excuse to spend money on the car, I know. I also got 2 tyres done on the front and the pads and discs done for a cost of £300, which I thought was pretty good. Audi themselves wanted £385 just for the pads and discs, so you know, I saved £85 and got the 2 tyres as well going elsewhere. But I really did need those, especially with the weather being how it's been. It's been a bit frosty, so even with the new tyres I'm still spinning a bit. So yeah, definitely the right time to get that done. The original fog grills were just like a flat surface, so I think they're definitely due an upgrade really. I'm sure I have them here. So these were the originals. As you can see, there is quite a difference between the two, and that one looks a lot sportier. And please excuse the dirty car as well, because well, it's Cornwall and the roads are slippery, so you're just spinning dirt constantly.